So here exercise 5.2. So in this problems, chain rule, we apply chain rule or internal derivative. So given function, I am taking the given function as let y is equals to secant of tan of root x, secant of tan of root x. Okay, already I told you. Okay, so whenever we enter into our house, first we open the outside gate, then okay, so we open the main door. We open the main door, then we open the room or kitchen or bedroom, whatever it is. Inside one more room means we open like that. Okay, here also in these functions also we open and we simplify like that. Step by step we do. Okay, so first we apply the formula for outside secant function.
So
Then
d by dx of sec.
yes, sec. Okay, after that we apply the formula for tan. After that we apply the formula for root x. Okay, step by step like that we. Okay, so apply. Okay, so now here, now I am differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, so if we differentiate this, then d by dx of y left side and d by dx of secant of tan of root x, secant of tan of root x. What is d by dx of secant x? D by dx of secant x. What is the formula for d
Secant
by dx?
x into tan x.
Very good. Secant x into tan x is the formula here. Okay. So now I am applying the same formula. Okay. So d by dx of secant x is secant x into tan x. Okay. So now I am applying here. Okay. What is outside function secant? So we apply secant x. Okay. Into tan x. Okay. Whatever the function we have in place of x. In place of x. Okay, so we have tan of root x. In place of x, we have tan root x. In place of x, we have tan root x. Secant x into tan x. In place of x, whatever the function we have, we differentiate that function. Okay, d by dx of tan root x. D by dx of tan root x. Okay, so now this is equals to secant of tan of root x. Okay, into tan of root x. Okay, into d by dx of tan. What is d by dx of tan? Formula.
Sec
Okay, d by
secant
dx
square.
of, yes, d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So in place of x, again we have root x. In place of x, we have root x. So chain rule, internal derivative d by dx of root x again. We apply the formula here. Okay, so and here what formula we applied here? So I am writing here d by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x is equals to secant square x is the formula we applied here. This tan x. Okay, sorry. So this tan x. Okay, so we applied as secant square x. Tan x written as secant square x. Okay. Now d by dx of root x. Okay, we apply d by dx of root x. So here secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x, tan of tan root x into secant square of root x, secant square of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so final answer. What is the final answer here? Okay, so just we write the 1 by root x in the starting. I am writing 1 by 2 root x. I am writing in the starting and secant of tan root x, secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x, tan of tan root x. Okay, into secant square root x, secant square root x. Okay, this is the required solution. This is the required solution. Okay, so next, okay, if you take the next question here, So let I am taking the given function as y. Y is equals to cos x cube into sine square of x to the power 5. Okay. So here we have to apply UV formula in the derivative. So first I am applying differentiation on both sides. Okay, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. On both sides. So that means we write the d by dx left side. So d by dx of y, d by dx right side. D by dx of cos x cube into sine square x to the power 5. Sine square x to the power 5. Okay, so now we apply the formula d by dx of u into v. What is d by dx of u v? U outside and d by dx of v plus v is outside and d by dx of u. D by dx of u. Okay, so now cos x cube is outside. So I am writing cos of x cube outside and d by dx of sine square x to the power 5. Sine square x to the power 5. Okay, so now sine square x power 5 outside. Sine square x power 5 outside and d by dx of cos x cube. D by dx of cos x cube. So now this is equals to cos x cube, write it as it is, d by dx of x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1. So 2 into, okay, sine x power 5 whole to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Okay, so and in this, in place of x, this is x power n formula we are applying here. This is x, sine x power 5 is x, and whole square is the power here. Okay, x power n into x power n minus 1. In place of x, what we have? Okay, so differentiate that. Okay, so d by dx of sine x to the power 5. Sine x power 5. Okay, so plus sine square x to the power 5, write it as this, and cos x cube. What is cos formula? Outside function is cos. D by dx of cos is minus sine. So write minus sine and x cube. Okay, in place of x, whatever we have, we differentiate that function. Okay, so that means d by dx of x cube. D by dx of x cube we write. Okay, so now this is equals to, okay, so 2 as it is. Okay, this 2 I am writing in the starting, 2 as it is I am writing cos of x cube into sine x power 5. Okay, write it as this. Power 2 minus 1 means 1 only. Okay, and sine x power 5. Okay, outside function is sine. So sine derivative is cos. So we write cos x power 5. Okay, in place of x we have again x power 5. So differentiate that x power 5 again. So d by dx of x to the power 5, internal derivative. Okay, so plus, okay, plus into minus. Okay, so we can write only minus here, minus sine square x to the power 5, into sine x cube into d by dx of x cube. X power n formula, 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that means 2. 3x square we get 3x square. Okay, now this is equals to 2 cos x cube into sine x power 5 into cos of x power 5 and d by dx of x power 5, x power n formula, that is n into x power n minus 1, 5 into x power 5 minus 1 means 4, minus, okay, this 3x square you write in the left side. Okay, so 3x square is the coefficient into sine square x power 5, into sine x cube Okay, so this is the required solution, or otherwise, okay, just to multiply and simplify this 5x power 4 right in the starting. Okay, if you write the 5x to the power 4 in the starting, okay, what we get here, this is equals to 5 to the 10x to the power 4. Okay, this 5x power 4 and this outside 2.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
your voice is breaking. I can't understand. I can't understand that. Whatever you said,
Okay, I'll
I
repeat
can't
the
understand.
last sentence. From where? Last sentence.
Yes, sir. From that last final answer, sir. From the last final answer.
Okay, okay. I'll repeat once again. Okay, so here, okay, so here 2x 2 cos x cube written as it is. Okay, after that sin x power 5 written as it is, cos x power 5 written as it is. Here x to the power 5, x power n formula, 5 into x power 5 minus 1, 5x power 4. Okay, so after that minus sin square x power 5 written as it is, sin square x power 5. Okay, so and sin x cube written as it is. Okay, this x power 3 form, x power 3 means 3 into x power 3 minus 1, 3x square. So we return the 3x square in the starting. Return the 3x square in the starting. Okay, so now, okay, so if you multiply, okay, 5 2s are 10, 10x power 4, 10x power 4 into cos x cube into sin x power 5, sin x to the power 5. Okay, into cos of x power 5, cos of x power 5. Okay, so minus 3x square, minus 3x square into sin square x to the power 5, sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube, into sin x cube. Okay, so this is the required solution. This is the required solution.